Hey, it's Sal Governale, and I'm gonna show you on how to keep an apple.
That doesn't make any sense.
Raw tips.
I'm gonna show you on how.
Hey, it's Sal Governale, and I'm gonna show you on how to keep an apple.
How?
He said that, he
No,
said.
you said that. It
Oh.
doesn't make any sense.
What am I saying?
Show you
How? On how? Why would I say it like I thought? Hey, it's Sal Governale, and on this episode of Raw Tips, I'm gonna show you how to keep an apple crispy and delicious.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I break out the best of my recipes, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey, it's Sal Governale. Welcome back to Big Meals, Small Places. Today I'm gonna show you something that is great for the kids. Fresh apples. There's nothing worse than when you cut into an apple, you go to school, you open up your lunchbox, and it's gross, it's brown, you don't wanna eat it. It's a waste of money, and it upsets your child. So I'm gonna show you a tip on how to keep your apples sliced, but fresh in the lunchbox. And here's how. Just simply get a cutting board and lay down a piece of saran wrap right on top. From there, take the apple, put it on top. Now check this out. Cut down, cut again. Now you have 8 beautiful slices. But instead of separating it and putting it in a bag or something, a sandwich bag, and getting it all yellow and disgusting, take your saran wrap, keep the apple tight with your hand, cup it together, and wrap it up. Grip the bottom, put it in a lunchbox, and there it is. The apple stays tight and contained. And when it's tight and contained, it doesn't get yellow because all of the apple and its flesh stay together. Now, when your child goes to school, they get a beautiful, delicious, white, crispy apple. So good. And your kids won't throw it away. Thanks, everybody.